If you drive an older Hyundai Tucson iX35, you know that the interior starts showing its age, and nothing feels worse than a sticky, worn-out gear shift knob. This simple accessory claims to completely revitalize that crucial touchpoint, transforming the feel of your daily commute. The XINGWANGDYYI set is specifically designed for the 2004 through 2009 5-speed Tucson iX35 models. That precision fit is absolutely key because nobody wants a universal part that rattles. The manufacturer promises an easy, convenient, and efficient installation experience, and honestly, for a boot and knob combo, it looks like a straightforward swap. No complex modifications needed, which is a huge win for DIYers looking for a quick refresh. The real test, though, is how it feels in the hand. They heavily emphasize the ergonomic design, suggesting it makes driving significantly more comfortable. A good gear knob isn't just about looks, it's about the tactile connection to the transmission. The core claim here is faster and smoother shifts, which usually comes down to better grip and optimized weight distribution. By increasing friction and providing a comfortable touch feeling, this should genuinely improve your manipulative sense and overall driving safety factor. It's about confidence when you shift quickly, especially when merging or navigating traffic. While we can't physically touch the material right now, the focus on excellent quality suggests a durable material that won't degrade quickly like the original factory plastic often does. For anyone looking to refresh their aging car interior without spending a fortune on OEM parts, this complete set, knob, lever, and boot, is a compelling package. It's designed to be very suitable for your original car, providing that factory-fresh look and feel. And it's always reassuring to know that the brand offers sales service if there are any fitment questions or issues. If your 5-speed Tucson iX35 is feeling tired, this isn't just a cosmetic fix. It's an ergonomic upgrade designed to enhance the core driving experience. It's a small investment that promises a significant return in comfort and control.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.